My main plan for Forex this week is to buy the US dollar, sell the Japanese yen and gold. Stay tuned. Okay, the reason why I want to sell gold and Japanese yen is mainly driven by all the correlation together. So today I'm going to start off with the treasury bonds. Treasury bond, Japanese yen, gold are all risk-off asset. You can see you're looking at the treasury bond at the moment. We are breaking major support 120 area and now probably heading to maybe around 110. Pay attention, we're looking at the weekly chart at the moment. So there's still plenty of room for you to capitalize on selling gold, even though you think this is just a little bit of room, but there is plenty of room for that. You can look at the accumulation distribution line. Volume are still very much on the short side. This is the yellow line for you, pointing downward, meaning that there's more selling pressure than buying momentum. Okay, so that's one of the reasons. So let's get to my trading chart and show you what trade that I'm currently got on at the moment. I am in selling gold at the minute. So you can see I'm in gold already, little bit of profit, but it's just a very basic, principle that is, if you go back to a daily chart, we are at resistance rejecting around the 1950 area. We'll clean up the pivot level a little bit so you can see it clearer. This trend line, well, we had a little bit of fake out on, I believe, on Tuesday, try to break, and then now we stay below, and it is still under the monthly pivot area. So I am selling it. My first target as swing low daily will be around 4,000 for 36 points, £4,000 return, and then my ultimate target is 1,820. That's £9,000. So hopefully it works out. This month has been a bit tricky to trade, but one good trade makes up a month or two profit anyway. So stay patient on your winning trade. So this is my plan. Would I add in more? I think, yeah, potentially I could add in a bit more. If I see price break below this point, 1,913, I could maybe take a retest. Set it here, retest, and then take some profit in there. Very quick add-in scaling trade on that. To do this, I like to see price continue to break lower. You can set alert in this IG platform. Fantastic. 19128. I think that would be a good price. Let's double check. Yep, that will be maybe slightly too low. Yeah, that's slightly too low. So 13.6 probably. So at least I know when it's gonna break. So set that now. And silver, you can see also already leading the momentum of sales. So this you can see 1 hour already kind of breaking. So I like to see it break lower, but I will be mindful that around the 2240 area would be a support area around this area here. So I'll keep an eye on that. If price starting to range here, I will manage my gold trade accordingly. Okay. Moving on to the dollar index, you will see. Actually, let's just talk about dollar yen first, and then I will show you. Look, dollar yen already breaking even higher. Last week we have all the central bank try to pause interest rate. I'm not really a big fundamental guy, so I know the Bank of Japan was trying to do something on Friday, but obviously technically this is still looking bullish. It's trying to build a base and break this channel here. If this break, then we could see the previous all-time high of dollar yen, which is around this 152 area, or could be even higher short term. I would like to see a turnaround, and I think when it does turn around, we will see something significant on yen movement. Then I might turn into a gold buyer again, but for now there's no reason for me to do that. Just stick with the trend for the minute. Moving on to the dollar index, you can see inching higher is won't be the easiest to kind of wait for end of day movement. We could see quite aggressive move higher like this, or stuff like that. So to trade this, really, I mean, you can intraday trade the momentum using 1 hour, so we can flip side to the euro. There is a level through here. I can pull it down here, so which I might consider around this 106.40 area. So let's have a quick look of the daily pivots. It's quite funny on Monday, so today's Monday. So the daily pivot is actually right here, 106. Now we are in S2. So yeah, it could be, yeah, we're tracing at 106.34. Yeah, I could potentially sell that tomorrow morning. So now again, I will set an alert, 106.34. Sell price, 106.34 sell price, and then I'll put a DPV, so daily pivot. That's how I trade. I don't really change too much on my trading style. Pound is been hammering as well, moving lower, but it's more, I can't really see a really clean zone, so I'm happy to leave it. Aussie, again, you can see everything across the dollar is dropping at the moment. This is a bit of range, so I'm not really liking that. So yen is on my list. When it breaks higher, I will look for an intraday to catch it. Probably, again, daily pivot, 1 hour and stuff like that. Another one that is top of my list is the dollar against the Chinese yuan. So what I like to see is this mass break. So breaks higher, 73.30, come back for a retest. I probably will use a limit order around this area, 73.200. So around this area to go long to previous high. So that's all for me for the Forex market. If you'd like to know what my plan for the stock market, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.